helicopter.
Okay, this is Jad, 6-year-old, flying his first helicopter mission to go and rescue Lego Man. Go.
No.
Go, come on.
Okay. What happened? Restart.
Come on.
Okay, wait.
We're waiting for you. Okay. Nice. Wait, we can't see you.
Oh, wrong place.
Ah. Okay, no, you've landed. It hasn't crashed yet. Okay, now it crashed.
Turn down. Whoa, I haven't rescued him.
Well done.
Whoa. I'm going too high. Going too far. I went way too far.
Is that it?
No.
Where's... Come on.
He's down here.
Oh.
I went too far. Ow. I have to go back.
Okay, poor guy. He's like, what's going on?
He's dead. He's not dead. Hey. Now it's switched off. Who switched off?
Okay, that's it. Mission successful.